Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is perfect if you're getting started with Wix and you want to enhance your website by adding some custom HTML code. Specifically, I'll walk you through how to embed your Calendly scheduling tool directly into your Wix site. By the end of this video, you'll have a seamless way for your visitors to book time with you right from your website. So if you've been wondering how to connect Calendly to your Wix site, you're absolutely in the right place. Let's get started. Now, I'm going to assume you've already built your Wix website, at least the basics. Maybe you've chosen a template, edited your pages, and you're ready to add that extra functionality which can really level up the user experience. In our case, that means adding a calendar for booking appointments. Calendly is a super popular tool for this, and the process is actually very simple. First up, head on over to your Calendly account. If you haven't set up an event yet, you'll want to take a moment to do that. An event is just the thing that people will be able to book, like a meeting, a consultation, or a call. Once you've got that ready, you'll see a list of your events on your Calendly dashboard. Find the event you'd like to embed on your website. Next, look for the three dots next to your event. These are usually to the right-hand side. Click on those and you should see an option that says Add to Website. This is where all the embedding magic happens. From here, Calendly gives you a few different options, and today we want to choose Inline Embed. Think of this as embedding your calendar right inside your page, so it just flows with all your other content, rather than opening in a pop-up or a new page. When you select Inline Embed, Calendly will generate an HTML code snippet for you. This is what you'll add to your Wix site. Simply hit Copy Code. Don't worry if you're not techie. This is just a quick copy-paste, no programming required. Now, flip over to the Wix editor for your website. Pick the page where you want to add your scheduling tool. It could be your home page, your contact page, or even a dedicated bookings page, wherever it makes the most sense for your visitors. Once you're in the editor, look on the left toolbar for the Add button. It usually looks like a little plus sign. Click that, and from the menu, look for Embed or Embed a Widget. You'll see something like Embed a Code or Custom Embeds. Click there and choose Embed HTML. This option basically lets you drop in any piece of HTML you want, meaning you can connect third-party tools like Calendly or really anything you like. A little HTML box will appear on your page. This is your placeholder for the code. Click inside, then paste that code from Calendly right in. At first, it might just show a gray box or take a second to update. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect immediately. After you paste the code, hit Apply or Update, depending on your Wix editor version. At this point, it's a great idea to preview what you've done. Click Preview at the top right of the editor. This lets you see your site as your visitors will see it, and you should see your Calendly calendar embedded and ready to go. Sometimes it takes a moment to load, so don't panic if it appears blank for a second. If everything looks good, you're all set. Your visitors can now schedule appointments with you directly from your Wix site, and that's it. You've just leveled up your site's booking capabilities with just a few quick steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any snags along the way, please leave a comment below. I love helping out, and I always check the comments. For more tutorials on building your online presence, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your Wix website.